Hey there you guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be sharing how to clean your Desert Mist diffuser. So you'll notice that after using your diffuser for a couple of weeks, this lovely look will start to come up. And it is a good idea to regularly clean your diffuser just to make sure that it's running properly. It will also last you longer when you regularly take care of it, just like with anything in life. So we are going to go ahead and give this some lovely TLC today and clean it up. And what we are going to use in order to do that is your Thieves All-Purpose Spray. And then we are also going to use a little bit of the Thieves dish soap. We're also going to use a paper towel and a couple of Q-tips. It doesn't take much time to clean the diffuser, as you will see in just a second. So go ahead, clean it, especially when you start to see all this kind of building up, and then you can get right back to diffusing your favorite essential oils. Okay, so go ahead and remove the outer covering. I don't usually ever clean this. It never needs to be clean. If you really want to clean it, you can just use a paper towel and a little bit of the Thieves All-Purpose Spray, just because you're touching it and like taking it off and all that. So if you want, you can clean around there. But there's no like actual buildup that happens in or for this. So I always just take it off and place it to the side. And then this is the part that we are going to clean. So this top part, we're just gonna clean all that up. Now, the one thing I wanted to just caution you with is this base. So all of the electrical wiring to make this thing work is in the bottom right here. So you want to be careful to not put water in the base because, and this happened to me, sometimes it will like malfunction a little bit and like a light will just like stay on and it's just not running properly. So if that happens, what I did when it happened to me is that there's like a couple different screws down here. So you would just unscrew that, take that out, and then there's more screws and you'll take that out, just keep them in like a small bowl or something or a bag, just so you don't lose them. And then this will like come apart. Not completely because there's wires right there that are connecting it, but just let it like sit down and air dry. And once it's completely done air drying, put it all back together again. And then for me, it has always worked. So that was like my rookie mistake when I first got started. So I wanted to make sure that I cautioned you guys about that. But otherwise, this is pretty simple. So let's go ahead and start cleaning this diffuser.
So the first thing I do is I turn on the sink and I try to get some warm water, nothing like scorching hot or anything, but just some warm water just to help kind of like loosen everything up so that it makes it a lot easier when we go in and start cleaning it with the dish soap and the Thieves All-Purpose Spray. So I like to start with using the Thieves All-Purpose Spray, so I'll just spray that a couple of times and then using a paper towel, just start wiping all of that down and then just use like the little corners of the paper towel to get the hard to reach spots. And then what I do is take a Q-tip and I just spray it with the Thieves All-Purpose Spray, and I will use that to clean the very tip of the diffuser because you will notice real fast that it is very hard to get this particular area of the diffuser clean with just using the paper towel. So I find that the Q-tip really helps me clean this particular spot. If you can't get everything, it's okay. Just try to do the best you can. Once I'm done with that, I will just go ahead and rinse it under some warm water again, just to make sure that anything that I didn't get with the paper towel just kind of rinses away. And then we're going to use the Thieves dish soap. So you just need a tiny bit, as you see there. It's very concentrated and a little goes a long way. So just go ahead and rinse that and clean it up. This is kind of like the last step before we go on to cleaning the base of the diffuser. And once you're done with this step, you can go ahead and place the lid over to the side because we are done cleaning it now. And now we can go ahead and clean the base of the diffuser. So again, we're just going to rinse it with a little bit of warm water just to loosen everything up. Just be really careful to not get water into the base of the diffuser. And then we can go ahead and use the Thieves All-Purpose Spray, just like we did with the lid. And then using a paper towel, just go ahead and start cleaning around the base of the diffuser there. You do want to be careful of that little white disc in the middle of the diffuser. So just try to clean around that. the last step of cleaning the base of the diffuser is, you guessed it, using a little bit of the Thieves dish soap there. So again, it's super concentrated. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And then just carefully rinse that out. And once you're done, you can go ahead and set the base off to the side next to the lid there and allow it to air dry, or you could use a paper towel to dry it up. And then you are all set to start diffusing your favorite essential oils again.
Alrighty, you guys, so that is how you clean your Desert Mist diffuser. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. If you did, then please let me know by commenting down below and giving the video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. I talk about all things holistic living here on my channel, health education, wellness tips, essential oils, non-toxic living, all that fun stuff. And I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and to stick around and join me on this holistic health and wellness journey that we are all on together. And with that, thanks again for watching this video. Again, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.